Okay, so cornstarch. Here's me hoping that this works. Plug this in. Don't mind all the crap on my counter. Trying to edit my videos less so I'm more authentic. I have no idea how much to put in. We're just gonna go for it. Uh-oh. Well. Oh, God. Okay. All right, I don't know. That's like 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Well, it's kind of starting. Oh, 4 total now. Just wait, kiddo. Five, 6. Let's do 7. You good, bro? We're getting there because it doesn't stick to my fingers anymore. And I'm assuming that's the point. So this would be 8, 9. Let's go for 10. Let's check this. Boy, that's pretty close. Thank you, helper. I don't know. I think I'm gonna call it. So we're gonna go try it. Okay, so now we need a sheet pan. And this. Maybe a scraper. Come on, dude. Let's go. Bring your tractor. Get your tractor. Okay. Now we have 2 towels set up. I was hoping to find a kiddie pool. Didn't find it, but whatever. Yes. This is what we've got here. Can I have the scraper? Thank you.
Goop, 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 goop.
I'm gonna leave the bowl here just in case he wants to play with that. And he's not wearing pants because we're in the potty training phase. Throws whenever. Can I do the little one?
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah. Nice. Do you like that? Well,
Oh
no. I know, I'll fix the bucket.
no. Boop, boop. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep.
Moon sand. Who knew?
I